so mamfa enti yera dufo ena mapoe mantemu no papa no so onam atifu do mantemu a obonto ana ahwese empani ene atu ahene esi ahene begina tum na bibia atimi aka mapa no anato abama no nene na domansinim ana okopie na ne atu ahene esi ahefo obonkomo no ana ditu ja chemi sewe edumire bia na wura ho pa esanse enkane ayi free NHIS obi ka say health insurance card no na ye adwuma pa ene yakwa resabia ekovaw enura obedie na akova na wanya wasumdwe kama pa de ohia no lolofe eno anu no asa ensu na die okọ hospital ene fa ha okọ jo so esituaka uye se esituaka wawie ni nyina chi no aduro esituya aduro bi esituya je se utie nye kura para kura unya bi no de abafie we nyina kire se enema a edigu akwamu ane eboama health insurance ni jan naso no nyina agu eno achi Ghana bai na nadada Kwahu fadi na bai omabo besi abo ubi sama se de free SHS ni nyina mu so free SHS no ensa anya papa agu Ghana fo bomade na to abama no be mampani nyame adema afie die ni mabato ni mu a sa de ma nyina oba obehwe na wasiesi.
And we've said it and said it. 80 of their MPs have signed a petition telling the president that the finance minister is incompetent, remove him. But because he's his cousin, up to now he's the one negotiating and taking pensioners' monies and all that. After he has caused the problem, he's the one now inflicting pain on pensioners and others. He collapsed 9 banks, Ghanaian banks. Today, this debt restructuring has put the remaining banks in the same position as the 9 banks he collapsed. So is he going to collapse all those banks soon? So what was the reason to collapse Dufour's Bank, Unibank, Amwabank's UT Bank, and all those other banks? When you needed 9 billion to rescue them, you instead collapsed them and created a debt for Ghana of 25 billion cedis. When NDC was leaving office, our debt from Nkrumah's time till I got off the seat was 120 billion cedis. Today it is almost 600 billion cedis. And there's nothing to show for it. When you ask them, what did you do with the money? They'll quickly say free SHS. But free SHS is not working properly. The benefit is supposed to give the parents, they're not getting. And I can tell you that today, the money we're spending on our children to go to school is far more than when we used to pay school fees. And when the children go to school, you'll be surprised. In 4 weeks, they are back. And you ask why? Why are you back so early? They say, oh, this traffic light system. They say we should come so that our colleagues too will come. In NDC time, our children all went to school together. And then when they vacate, they all come home together. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to repair the free SHS, make it better, and create the situation where when school reopens, all our children will go together. And when they vacate, they will all come back home together. So that we don't do this thing of private studies, get a teacher, spend more money because the child is at home for such a long time. Honorable MP was talking about NHIL. NHIL is completely destroyed. The minister himself said there's no benefit to the NHIL card because if you go, you don't get the kind of service you expect. So he said that when he goes to hospital, he pays cash. The minister himself. And that's why I say he should resign, because you are the minister of the sector.
Arishmama Ghana Mampani that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and the attendant so didn't some etuja nina proba no gusu aweno or the akopiemu our upper east region. No de adesha wo nandam bon komo and odi tuja chem say Sanya nyina bi to say free SHS and health insurance na na dodan Kwahu fadi na ba agu no oba obabo madia na wasiesi.